Good morning. Good morning, Europe. How are we doing today? Maybe more light for me on my face. I think that was better. Still an early morning. Yesterday was playing video games with my friends. Didn't have enough sleep. And that is a second day in a row that happens. That's not good. What do we have for the market? Well, look at gold. Wow. Anyway, not a gold trader. Maybe a retest of this is interesting sometime today for another rip. Yeah, we broke out of this area, retested it. Didn't retest anything here. This is a breakout area, 88. Anyway, yes, and Nasdaq. Wow, the box. We are moving away from my box. 1 second. Is my mic on? Yeah, I can hear sound. On NQ and ES. Well, we have quite a beautiful trend line once again. This is Nasdaq, this is ES, 4-hour chart. 15-minute. Will we get there today? I don't know. Today probably, yeah. But in London session, in this stream, wouldn't bet on it. I probably would bet on here. In this general area of 60, 50, 3, basically in this area. This is 18-point range. We are kissing a VWAP right now on ES. Couple of points below on Nasdaq. VWAP's at 72. Sell, 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 sell. Everyone selling. London. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's what I would want it. This general area, maybe 58. Exactly this thick. Maybe a sweep below would be nice. We are at yesterday's POC on Nasdaq. Just went below it. We're gonna break out on London session through these highs. Thinking whether I should take 70s, but don't want to. Want 58s. Okay. Why don't I just have a resting order here? 58, 50. That's what I want. It's just the VWAP that doesn't allow us to get lower for now. That's why I was considering 70. In London session, it does try usually to get to the VWAP and then back. And that might also be the case today. Yeah, but this is a nicer stop. If I take it here, my stop is here where I'm trying to enter. So if big traders would like to trap everyone on the VWAP, then go here, take liquidity, all the stops together, and then we push higher. Yeah, doesn't look like it for now. One minute trend line on Nasdaq. And that's what happens. Usually in London. And whenever I buy that, it goes through. Add the trend line now. Yeah, that would be just that. Well, there is a high, low. Is it gonna become resistance? Do I want to short into VPOP? My stop would be above 700s. Now below 700s. No, I don't want to short. Maybe here I would like to short, but not here. No short here for me. $5,000. That's obviously a level. Maybe somewhere here I would like to pick it up. Gold is on a rampage. Absolute monster. Like, well, I don't know why I'm watching this, but look at this. Why I am on Twitter? I just made the Twitter account, by the way, a couple of days ago. So that's kind of new. That's why probably I'm scrolling it. Once again, doing silly things on my other screen because I'm waiting for my setup. Don't get a setup, no point in trading. Oh, are we gonna get it? Oh, just afraid that we went to the highs and now we're rotating to the lows. Overall, even though I showed you the chart, this chart. Stop it, Windows. This is 1 minute trend line I said before. This is the area low. Maybe we test somewhere in here. Anyway, the 420 is still there, and 6904, 6903 in this general area is still there as well. I still think we should go there for the proper move higher. Break. Okay. Let me pull out my pen that I'm learning on. I need to do something with this. Wait, I think F1. F1? No. Control F1? Where is the settings? I keep forgetting this. Control Shift 0? Oh, okay, I'm in the trade. Okay. No, I didn't. They didn't tag me in. Oh, they did now. And it's straight away going into drawdown. Okay. Yeah, this general area that I like on ES as well. Oh, look at that. Maybe I should have shot it there, right? There you go. 40 points already from that space, from that area. So if we push higher, I kind of like this. This is a kind of like whoop, just grab liquidity and go straight higher. Do I want to shorten my stop by half? Or I don't. This is above a trend line now, so no point in having it there. 68. Oh, so sorry, 68, 58, 58. So where do I put? So 76 or so, 75. Okay, if we get above this line, it's a break even. If, well, when? Now we are at a, oh, we didn't even get there. 68 is a low liquidity area that might hold us down for now. It's not very, oh, there we go. My, okay, at least for now, this is stop. If we close above this line, then it's a full break-even stop. I mean, not break-even, I'll put it at 50, no, I'll put it at break-even, whatever. Add the VWAP now, on both ES and Nasdaq. Okay, interesting. Delta still going down on ES. This general area where I expect buyers to be in. Are the sellers strong enough to push it through? We'll find out. This makes sense. because of the here bounce, bounce here, bounce here. I need to learn how to use this epic pen properly. I don't think you can follow that easily when I just do it with my mouse. Yeah, I think we're gonna go lower now. Okay, delta's going both up on Nasdaq and ES. So more buying orders, market buy orders than sell orders. So maybe we'll pull through. Maybe not. Look at this. Some selling. Well, in this general area, 640s. No. I could pull it here, but if we go, we go, I think so. Yeah, there you go. 620s. Ah, bugger. Okay. That was what I was afraid of. How much did that cost me? $52. I saw over 60 on my, you know, if I would have closed it here or so. Yeah, it's quite interesting because I am kind of short bias, but I'm trying along. But here I could have tried, but didn't want to. The overnight is just pure going higher. 61.8. Is there a level here? Yeah, there is. 36, 35. But the trend line I showed you before, that's at 25. And at 44 here. So below previous day close. Okay, interesting. We are below previous day close on Nasdaq. Yet we are still above it on ES. What was my original stop loss? Yeah, that would have been hit. So good thing I cut it in half. So 44 and 20, 22 or so, 23. So this area right here. Okay, why not? 23, 25. Is there something? No, not really. Ooh, straight on here. That's fine. I'll increase it. I cut that other one in half. By the looks of it, well, I could have expected a bounce here and go further. Now I would just take, yeah, probably to 70. If I get it. If we get quite quickly to 70, I might short it there. Just to get here again. So as I said, if I take it here, my stop loss here, and then it might move. But apparently they've been 2 moves in front. 2 moves ahead of me. They knew I'm gonna calculate it like this, so they even went further. Oh, those market makers. This is my last long. No long after this. Probably my last trade for London as well. If I don't get it, I don't get it. I'll do other stuff. Buying on both, yet we're still kinda hovering lower. Snowing outside. Nice weather. Bit of snow. We have minus something. Minus 10 or 12. Let me get to the settings of this thing. Control Shift. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Control Shift. Okay. Control Shift. I forgot it's both Control and Shift. Okay, getting closer. Don't like how we are getting there. Like really, it's consolidation down, which I don't like. It could be just like poop and never touch it again. That level. It's also trend lines is not exact science. Levels, even levels are zones in a sense. Come on, 44. Oh, come on, you touched it. There you go. So far, so good. And not good anymore. Oh, are we gonna break this? What a turnaround. Yeah, get to 70. If you can, please. My good old friend Nasdaq. So, Y entered right here. Look at the trend line. We keep holding it. So why not? Why this time different? And from this kind of move, it's kind of hard. We used all the velocity already to get to here. So just my 2 cents. No idea what's gonna happen. We might just whoop and go straight through it. Like there is no tomorrow. Okay. What's the lowest low? 2025. Last time it was 50, wasn't it? Or 50.75. Do I want to reduce my stop loss? What do I want to do? I'll give this one a breather, some breathing room. I mean, I'm not expecting it to bounce back. Expecting some sort of a bounce. 53 would be kind of good enough already. Nasdaq has something else on its mind. January for me is hard. I'll say this. Profitable, but very hard. I don't know why. 80.75, no. 80.47, let's do. Even though that doesn't help me anywhere. But just below this level that I have. Even though it's not exact level as you can see by the chart. Okay, this is weak. Do we have enough oomph to get through it? So that's why I'm betting against that we don't. I mean, at least some sort of a bounce I'm expecting. This is not that hard. Like, there is buying, so you can't say it's that weak, right? There's a large order at 600, 26,600, 25,600, 26,600. This is way above there. Yeah, go, more. Come on. You can do this. You go get it. Yeah. You're correct. Do that, please. Maybe I should do it like in the casinos where people blow on screens, you know, like go. Or touch it, you know, like with the hand. Like no, not doing that. Never done that. Also never smashed anything that I lost trades. Don't have it in me. Where people just like smash something in front of their eyes just because the trade didn't work out. Well, the trade didn't work out. It is what it is. I can't say that I'm immune to this, like to the feelings of losing a trade or something. It's annoying, but it is what it is. Yeah, this looks like it's going. That's the problem with trend lines. They work until they don't. Well, it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times we're touching this trend line. So yeah, it's already pretty weak. But I hoped we will leave it for some time later. And we are not by the looks of it. That's more than a full stop. That's like 19 points if I get stopped out, which I probably will. Almost got me. Yeah, but we broke the trend line. Bummer. There you go, that's my stop. How much this London cost me? 160 or so. 173 with fees. Anyway, that's it for me for London session. Thank you for being here, witnessing this with me together, and I'll see you on New York session. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.